Good morning. We're going to be looking at some more code. It gets more challenging as we go on because we have to remember those skills that we've already learned, and it gets a little more technical. But the exciting thing is, as we get further in, you get more control over what's happening. And so today we're going to have an example of a game, and it's not giving you all of the code, and so you don't get to completely do whatever you want, but you can start to see how you have control and the computer will do exactly what you tell it to do. So what we're looking at today is events. And an event is something that happens. When this happens, something else is going to happen. It works a lot like cause and effect, where if I press a button, this is what's going to happen. Let's go ahead and look at what we're going to do near the end of the day. So this is our next lesson on code.org. Lesson 5, talking about events. I've gone ahead and jumped to the practice number 7. And so it'll build up to this point. But I just wanted to show you that it does exactly what you tell it to do. And so we have an event here. When you press the left arrow, it moves left. When you press the right arrow, it moves right. And if game and I press those arrows, this little hand is going to move. And you can see it highlighting the code when those. Is it going to make me start out? Okay. When I do those things, highlights the code because it's saying, oh, that event's happening. We need to do that. If I flip these, it'll do the opposite. Now, unfortunately, you can't see my keyboard, but now what's going to happen is when I hit the left arrow, it's going to move right, and when I hit the right arrow, it's going to move left, which is really backwards, and it's kind of confusing. And, it's your game. You can do that. I can change it so that the ball moves very fast, and the hand moves very slow. And it's still backwards. That really messed me up. Oh no. So you get to customize it yourself. So just remember, an event is when something happens, and it's going to trigger when that happens. So if I hit the left arrow, then this happens. You could make it so that every time you press an arrow, it's going to play a sound effect. Every time, I'm going to change these back because it's really messing with me. Every time I hit the left arrow, it's going to play the whistle sound. Here we go. Ooh. That's annoying. Probably want to fix that one. All right. Have fun with it. Take your time. Make sure you understand what you can as you're going through the lessons because it builds on each other. I showed you kind of the end and it was kind of a lot, but let me just show you at the beginning when you're first doing it. All you're trying to do is connect the event with what's going to happen. So when I push the left arrow, okay. Oh, look, it moved us on to the next one. When you hit the right arrow, you go right. Perfect. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy. I will see you again tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.